11E, matrix powers. Finding the power of a matrix. So obviously you know that, say, 2 to the power of 2 is just 2 multiplied by itself 2 times. 2 to the power of 3 is 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. Same thing for matrices. A squared is A times A. A to the power of 3 is A multiplied by A 3 times. Use your calculator. You're just going to be using your calculator for this kind of stuff. Pretty much the only 2 things you really need to take away is only square matrices can be raised to a power. Because when you think about it, if you had a matrix that wasn't square, so let's say we had B is 1, 2. All right, so it's a 1 by 2 matrix. So if we want to work out B squared, it's B times B. So let's set that out. We've got 1, 2 multiplied by 1, 2. You need to work out sort of the first element here, it's 1 times 1 plus 2 times, there's nothing there. So it doesn't work out. The other way you can do this is writing out the orders of B times B. So B is a 1 by 2 matrix, and B again is a 1 by 2 matrix. The 2 middle numbers are not equal, therefore B times B is not defined. So needs to be a square matrix for that to work. The other thing is that, say in this example, you're trying to find A cubed, and that's A. A cubed does not equal just the elements all cubed. Do not make that mistake. So you're not just cubing 2, then cubing 3, cubing -1, and so on. You're actually having to do A times A to get A squared. Then you take A squared and multiply it by A again to get A cubed. Doing it by hand, not very helpful. As long as you know how to assign a matrix to a variable and then just raise that variable to the power you want, it's going to give you the matrix you need.